What's India's government doing with the former top Trump advisor? Paying him $150,000 a month, and that's just the beginning. Here's why. In a major diplomatic move, the Indian government has hired SHW Partners LLC, a Washington based lobbying firm led by Jason Miller, a former advisor to US President Donald Trump. The firm was signed on last month. India will pay SHW Partners a monthly fee of $150,000 for its services in Washington, D.C. The Ministry of External Affairs says this isn't new. This is not a new practice. This has been in place for several decades and under successive governments since the 1950s, said MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal during a press briefing on Thursday. He added, and I quote, "These firms have been regularly engaged by the embassy as per the requirement of the situation. All such engagements are available in the public domain. In the run-up to the nuclear deal in 2007 and thereafter, firms were engaged to strengthen India's case." End quote. He also pointed out that embassies and organizations around the world routinely hire such firms to represent their interests in the US. This lobbying effort is part of a wider diplomatic campaign by India named Operation Sindoor. This initiative is being led by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor. Its goal: counter negative narratives and build stronger ties with the United States. Jason Miller is a known figure in Trump world. He played key roles in Donald Trump's presidential campaigns in 2016, 2020, and 2024. Miller briefly served as Trump's chief spokesperson and was initially picked to become White House Communications Director, but withdrew following personal controversies. Despite scandals including allegations of sexual misconduct, Miller has remained one of Trump's closest aides. His deep understanding of Trump's political instincts and Republican networks is seen as crucial. This isn't India's first rodeo. Since the 1950s, India has worked with several US lobbying firms, including BGR Government Affairs, Squire Sanders and Dempsey, and Rosen and Fred. Jaiswal listed previous firms at the press briefing to underline the continuity of the practice. The timing is key. Pakistan is also ramping up its efforts in DC. Islamabad has hired at least 5 lobbying firms in recent months, including Javelin Advisors. That firm was registered by Trump's former bodyguard, Keith Skiller, and former Trump Organization executive, George Sorrell. Pakistan's goal: to push back against India's messaging on Kashmir and the Indus Waters Treaty, which India suspended after a deadly terror attack in Pahalgam on April 22nd. Miller's political journey started in 2011, advising Trump during his exploratory 2012 campaign. By 2016, he was a core part of Trump's communications team. After Trump's win, he served as the transitions team's spokesperson and briefly as incoming communications director. In 2019, Miller co-hosted the podcast War Room Impeachment with Steve Bannon, aimed at rallying support for Trump during his first impeachment. YouTube later took down the show following the January 6 Capitol riots. Miller also helped launch Trump's social media platform, Truth Social,